On this video, we'll go through how to add a record of an accident for a driver in your MyDOTFiles account. So from our homepage tabs, we'll select the My Accidents tab, and then we will select Add New Accident Record. Okay, and this opens our My Accidents maintenance box where we can upload all the information we have about the accident. And as you can see, the system automatically assigns the accident ID. So we can move down here to our second field, which is location. So we're going to enter the city and state that the accident occurred in, and then we will add the date the accident occurred on. So we'll say that this accident occurred in Jackson, Mississippi, and that it occurred on October 5th, 2014. And next we'll briefly describe what happened in the accident, and in this particular one, our driver Billy ran a stop sign and hit the driver's side of a van and was ticketed for a moving violation. So we'll put that in here. Okay, and now we'll select the name of the driver that had the accident, which was Billy. Okay, and now we can enter the number of injuries, but only those that required immediate medical attention away from the scene. So we'll enter 1 for the driver of the van. Okay, and next we will enter the number of vehicles that required towing away from the scene due to disabling damage. We'll enter a 1. And then you can enter the number of fatalities, if any. Okay, next we can select whether or not our driver was cited for a moving violation, which he was. And then select if any hazmat other than fuel from the vehicle was released, and we'll say no. Okay, now we can upload any documents that we have pertaining to the accident, such as pictures, police reports, insurance documents, whatever documents you have pertaining to this accident. So right now we have a picture of the accident and we have the police report, so we'll upload those two. Upload. Okay, and then we'll upload our police report too. And as you can see, these documents stack inside this box. So as documents from the accident come in, you can just come back to this record and continue adding to it so that all your documents are in the same place. So now we can hit Save Changes. Okay, and we see our record of Billy's accident right here. So we can click on this number 8, and it'll bring us back to it. And when you open it back up, you're going to see two things right here. First, it'll tell you whether or not this was a DOT recordable accident, and it'll either say yes or no, and it determines this based on the information that you put in. And then the other is post-accident alcohol and drug testing required, and it's going to say one of two things. It's either going to say just no, or it's going to read like this, and it's going to say yes if the driver was operating a CDL required CMV. So if the vehicle was between 10,000 and 26,000 GVWR, then a CDL would not be required to operate it, so post-accident testing would not be required. But if the truck was greater than 26,000 GVWR, it would be. So since Billy was driving an 18-wheeler, it would be required that he take post-accident drug and alcohol testing. So we can close that. And we are done uploading his accident record. And now you know how to upload accident records for your drivers in your MyDOTFiles account.